Hi, Paul Kim here with realestateinvestinghq.com. I want to thank you for stopping by. Today is Thursday, and as you can see outside, it is a beautiful day. It's a great day because today I'm going to start on a series what I call is Review Thursdays. And every Thursday I'm going to go over a product or a tool or a website that I'm going to review, as well as give you my recommendation. And these are things that I use in my business daily or frequently that I want to share with you that hopefully will give you, become more productive and make your life more easy. So, in your business as well as personally. Today I want to go over a 10-part series on 10 tools that I use in my business. And the first one, I think everybody has it. It's basically a computer or a laptop or a smartphone. And recently I just got this iPad right here. I gotta tell you, this iPad is awesome. I really like this iPad. It's really changed my business model where I'm able to do more being outside because I actually got the iPad with the 3G connection, so that I could be anywhere and I have connection to the internet. One of the things that getting back with that a desktop, I think any major brand, HP, Dell, is good as long as you have enough memory. But when it comes to a laptop, I think what I recommend is ThinkPads. Now, the reason I like ThinkPads is because I've had Dells and HPs before, but I don't think they're built. If you're going to be traveling a lot or you're going to be on the road, I think ThinkPads are built really well. I've had mine for a couple of years, and it takes a lot of beating, and it's great. When it comes to, I guess, smartphones, now, I don't think you really need a smartphone, but it would help. But in my case, I actually had a Palm, and then I switched to a BlackBerry, and then I recently, because I got the iPad, I just switched to a regular phone because a couple of factors. I'm on the phone a lot, and the Palm and the BlackBerry the battery just ran out so quickly. With the regular phone, I could use the phone all day, and still the battery is still good. But one of the most important factors when you have all these technology is that how do you utilize it so that you don't have duplicate contacts or duplicate events or duplicate emails, and that's where I'm going to go over some products that will help you so that you can have them all synchronized together. When I used to have a desktop, a laptop, and then I used to actually have a planner. This was a long time ago. I had a planner which I carried around, and I had a regular phone, and I had phone numbers here on my phone. I had phone numbers on my calendar. I had phone numbers on my desktop and laptop, and they weren't synchronized, so it was really hectic. So I'm going to go over some tools that will help you to get more organized. So that's my tip for today. Some of my recommendation. Today is just becoming more organized in the technology or the computers or the smartphones or whatever. That's about it today. And in my next post, I'm going to give you my second tool that I use. And until that time, take action, be focused, and crush it. See ya.